basically you take that pry bar there and you're going to stick it under the tire. This is to check the lowers. Make sure the jack is under the lower control arm as far out as you can get it, and then get the pressure off of the ground. So you'll be suspended in the air as if you were at driving height, basically. So I'll get a picture, or I'll get a video of it actually moving on the inside to show you what a ball joint actually looks like. Alright guys, so here it is. See all that movement? That clear as day, that's a fail, hands down. And these were actually replaced already with aftermarket. So at 75,000 miles, this thing's eating ball joints. And then that's all you do there, guys. Just get under it and move it around a little bit and have your buddy check on the inside.